Hi guys, welcome to Crafty. This is Devyani. I am so excited for today's video. So a few days back I posted on my Instagram stories if you would like to see a friends inspired bullet journal spread, and 100% of you guys said yes. So here I am sharing with you all my plan with March bullet journal spreads, and the theme for this month is going to be friends. I loved how it turned out, and this is probably gonna be my favorite spread for the whole 2019. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends and follow me on all my social media. The links are down in the description box as usual. Follow me on Instagram. I am pretty much active there. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with the monthly quote, I wrote my favorite quote. They don't know that we know they know we know. This is the most favorite episode of mine, hence this quote. Coming to the month name, I wrote March with the iconic red, blue and yellow dots everywhere. Also, I'll be using the same font and theme colors for the whole month. Next, I have my monthly goals and important days spread, and I made the iconic yellow and purple door frame. Coming to the next spread, I have my video ideas space with the same font and my growth tracker inside this purple and yellow door frame with this doodle around, and I also have the quote, I'll be there for you. Next, I have my habit tracker in the simple monthly form, and I'll be coloring the days. I also have my sleep log here in the form of graph like I always do, and here are the dates and the hours, so this will be in the graph form. Next, I have my mood tracker. I wrote how you doing on the top as that correctly indicated the mood tracker, and I made these small coffee cups for each day along with the Central Perk symbol at the bottom and different colors indicating my mood. Then I have my first weekly spread. So I just wrote a quote by Monica here and a quote by Chandler here. I made these shadow boxes, drop boxes along with the dates and small coffee cup doodles all around. So I did that for the whole week, and I really got excited doing this and actually made spreads for the whole month. So the second weekly spread, I have Ross's quote here and I have Rachel's quote here. For the third spread, I have Phoebe's quote here and Joey's quote here. And for the last spread of the month, I wrote Friends here surrounded by the characters' famous lines. And here I wrote a quote that I found on Pinterest which says, flirt like Joey, dress like Rachel, cook like Monica, live like Phoebe, care like Ross, laugh like Chandler, and just friends there. And yeah, that's it. Also 31st March will be included in the next week's spread, so hence it is not here. And yeah, that's it for my March bullet journal spreads. I really hope you all liked it, and thanks for suggesting me this on my Instagram page. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it for Plan With Me March. I hope you really liked it. Let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.